I'm going to show you how to put your plus 17 extension on your CP33 magazine.
Dang, that's a lot.
Hey everyone, Chad from Keltec here. Today I'm going to show you how to put your plus 17 extension on your CP33 magazine. First thing you want to do is put on your safety glasses. We're going to be dealing with some spring tension here, and you always want to protect your eyes. Your kit is going to come with a support rod, your extension body, and then the extension lock. So what you want to do is take your support rod, and you're going to want to push down on that detent and use the rod to ever so slightly push the base plate forward. Now here you want to cup the top of the magazine, and you're also going to want to cup the bottom of the magazine and slide the base plate off, because that spring tension is going to want to launch this stuff across the room. That thing is going to want to fly. So go ahead and pull the spring out. Take your magazine extension and go ahead and slide it over. Take your extension lock and slide it down and lock it into place. And at that point, go ahead and slide your spring in, and then you'll take your new rod. Make sure you slide this all the way down between the coils of the springs to the follower. And on the bottom of the follower, there's a guide hole for the top of the rod. You want to go ahead and set that down inside the guide hole and then apply some pressure. As you can see, it comes out at the top of the magazine like that. You know you're good. If you're not seeing this coming out, then you know you need to realign. While you hold that down, take your base plate and slide it over so that it's keeping the spring and everything captive, and then go ahead and push it until the detent pops through the bottom of the base plate. And what I like to do is take the old rod and then go ahead and do like a function check by pushing down on the follower. Now you have a 50-round CP33 magazine.